Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and welcome to TinkerHUNT 14. Once again, friends, I have made a scavenger hunt. There is a link in the description when you open this project. Your job is to find these 5 hidden characters: Jack-o'-lantern, Rocket, Blanky, the Celebrating Kid, and the Unicorn Dude. They're all super tiny and they're scattered all throughout the village of Tinkerville. Friends, the way you search is to click on any item, press the letter F, and it zooms in. It fits view to that spot. You then can right click and look. You can also use the view cube and look to see if you can find the different parts. You can also click on items and hide them because there are compartments where I store different things. If you want to bring everything back, you can hit show all. If you want to zoom back out, you can hit the home button. That, my friends, is how you search all throughout here to find the 5 items. If you do find all 5 items, add them as a comment below and I'll give you a shout out in next week's video. If you're in my classroom, you can answer them in Google Classroom. You can also visit my website, HLModTech.com, and you can submit your answer there as well. Friends, when you give me your solutions, just tell me the item you found, the location it was, and the house number that it was in. It's that easy as you try and track down all the cool creatures. This week on TinkerHUNT 14, we had the most winners ever. We had solutions from Aviuk, Dario, Liliana, Christian, Braden, Ben, and Kingston, all solving TinkerHUNT 14. Thanks everybody for your participation. So friends, it works this easy. All you have to do is hit project link. If you've never been in Tinkercad before, simply choose sign in with Google. Once you get to this page, do notice you can see the hidden items, you can see the notes, you can also see, if you look all the way over here, who won that week. Friends, once you get to this link, you can hit copy and tinker, but before you do, don't forget to give an awesome reaction. Those are super cool. And then also make sure you're aware there are a lot of awesome links that can take you to other cool things. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please hit a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. And of course, if you've got a question, comment, or a solution, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.